What is up, traders? Welcome back. Today in the market for me was a pretty decent day. It was pretty much almost started like a range day, and it kind of sold off later on in the day. Two trades in ES, one loser and one winner. The first trade on ES was basically a failed second entry long. Now, this is one of those trades where I should have known better. Basically, you have a break new high already in place, and honestly speaking, I should not be looking to go short just because you have this big impulse above the EMA. So it's a good indication that prices might be going to the upside. And not only that, there's a lot of support here. I don't say a lot, but there's some support here. So, and it didn't close below the EMA, so this was a very bad trade on my part. But even more, it made it even worse, was that basically the price kind of just bounced off my take profit and reverse. So the price had to tick, basically one tick through my 4-tick scalp, and I could have got filled, but it just literally touched it and went in reverse, so which is kind of fortunate, but it is what it is. But I misread that price action. There's actually a higher low here, but yeah, very bad trade. And I did see a few opportunities earlier, like this triple test here and this failure here as well. And this is a true failure right here. This is garbage on my part. As you can clearly see, new high, first entry long pullback, second entry long failure, and this is a perfect failure. And I'm not sure why I didn't take this trade. I think I was watching the NQ at the moment. But this is a perfect failure. This is the perfect failure. And my second trade was pretty much repeat of this pattern right here. You clearly see we have a uptrend working up, break, 2 legs down, and then 2 legs up to a new high, and then you have new high, first entry long pullback, second entry long failure. So this is a true failure. This is garbage. So yeah, this is what I like to see in failures. Again, same thing here. I hope you can see the similar pattern, repeat pattern. And I actually got my runner was actually right here, because I put my runner at swing low, and I actually walked away from the computer and came back and I got filled. So I was pretty happy about that. So I'm down on this about $500, and then I am up $440 on the NQ, and I can't really see the profits just because I'm doing this after 5 o'clock, so I think it was resetting. But you can clearly see $2,100. We're also close to passing this eval, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to scale down in contracts. I'm not going to do 10. I'm going to do probably 5 or maybe even 2. Because what I've noticed that once I get to this number, 2100, 2200, 2300, I tend to basically go on tilt if I have a loser. So if I have a loser that way, then I still have a good chance to recover and not go on tilt. So I think that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Pretty much a little under 330 to pass this eval. So hopefully tomorrow is the day. And again, this one's pretty much a break even. So yeah, let's talk about the NQ. So on NQ, one trade, and I did see this higher low here, which I really kind of wanted to take, but I also wanted the price to come down a little bit lower, kind of maybe touch this line here, to touch this level, which it never did. But you can clearly see a break new low already in place, and basically a higher low with enough room to the EMA, good signal bar. I probably could have got even a better price, better entry price, but unfortunately I decided not to take it, but that's okay. And then basically you can clearly see uptrend working up. You have a break new high already in place. Now I was expecting the price to come back here, test the overnight highs, which we did later on, but I was hoping to come down here. But I did see the second entry short with the lower high, and I decided to take it. I mean, this is a pretty good setup here. Again, enough room for my scalp to the EMA, and I had my runner actually at this lows, and I had to basically, when I saw this candle form like this, basically a doji, I didn't like it, so I just got my scalp or my my runner at pretty much a break even. But if I held, obviously in hindsight, it would have been a winner. I mean, I would have hit my runner profit because my stop loss was above this candle right here. So either way, I'm pretty happy about this trade, and I actually missed this triple test right here. Again, I was expecting the price to come back here, but you can clearly see there's some resistance here at this level. So and the risk on this trade was pretty good. So again, I just pretty much missed out on that. But yeah, and then you have a higher low here, and again, break new low already in place. And once again, this higher low, I didn't want to trade just because it closed at the EMA, and I don't trust that. Even though it did work out, usually when I take these trades, they don't really work for me. And I know that for a fact. If I take a trade just like that next time, it won't work for me. So I decided to skip it. And yeah, that was pretty much my day. So on the eval, like I said, you can clearly see we're $2,100 up on the eval, 16 trades, 81% win rate, all that good stuff. Like I said, so far I had 16 winners. I'm sorry, 13 winners and 3 losers. And continue utilizing this this tool, TraderSync app. Again, super useful right now. It just helps me to visualize my goals and what's working, what didn't work, and kind of keep working on my psychology and my trading. But yeah, so we're pretty close, like I said, and hopefully either tomorrow or next couple days. Actually, I can't trade on Friday. Yeah, I can't trade on Friday. So tomorrow is pretty much the only day I could make it happen. Again, I'm not gonna push it. I'm gonna be patient and reduce my contract size to probably 2, maybe 3. I don't know, but between 2 and 5. So I don't know. Depends how I feel. But I don't want to trade the full lot just because I'm so close to passing this. So yeah, that was my trading day, and I hope you guys were. Hopefully you guys were good. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.